Federalism Part 3. In the previous video, we have learned about the creation of linguistic states in India. Today, we are going to learn about language policy in our country. The language policy was the second test for Indian Federation. Our constitution did not give the status of national language to any one language. Hindi was identified as the official language, but it is the mother tongue of only 40% of Indians. Hindi and 21 other languages are identified as the official language and recognized as scheduled languages by the Constitution. The use of English along with Hindi for official purposes continued. The promotion of Hindi continues to be the official policy of the Government of India. Indian political leaders shown flexibility regarding language policy and helped our country to avoid the situation finds in Sri Lanka. Now, let us discuss center-state relation. Federalism has been strengthened in practice and restructuring the center-state relation. The constitutional arrangements for sharing power work on how the ruling parties and leaders follow these arrangements. In India, the same party ruled both at center and in a state for a long time. It means a state government did not exercise their rights as autonomous federal units. The center tried to undermine the power of states if there was a different government at the state level. If central government misused the constitution to dismiss the state governments controlled by rival parties, this undermined the spirit of federalism. After 1990, the situation has changed. The rise of regional political parties in many states initiated the era of coalition government at the center. Now, let us talk what is coalition government. A government formed by the coming together of at least two political parties by forming alliance is known as coalition government. The major national parties had to enter into an alliance with many regional parties to form the government at the center. This led to new culture of power sharing and respect for autonomy of state governments. Now, it is difficult for the central government to dismiss the state's government in an arbitrary manner. Thus, federal power sharing is more effective today than it was in early years. In the next video, we will learn about decentralization in India. Thanks.